What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey, people, Kiara here from My Digi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secret. Now, the reason why we're promoting the $25 business is because of its affiliate system in particular, which is 80% recurring income. That means you get paid every single month income that they stay in the system. All right, guys, so you can really build this up to be something special and start a business with this and unlimited income once you get to a certain point. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so first and foremost, let's see if we got a sale here. Looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page here to make sure we didn't, and to show you guys like my real results, because refreshing the page in front of you guys will show that. Make sure you guys really understand that I'm just getting money. So I could change these numbers to look like anything. This is the money that's coming through my bank account. This money, this right here, don't came to my bank account, guys. It's 6,000 something. So we're gonna refresh the page and see what's going on. All right. Okay, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Totally fine, not a big deal. So the first thing you want to do is get your affiliate link. This is the link that I personally use, all-in-one business sales letter. That's the one that I use personally. It works well for me. You could try other links as well if you want to, no big deal. It doesn't hurt to try other links. Probably mix and match is probably the best way to do it. I think about it. I like promote this particular one. All right, guys, so this is what we're gonna do. First and foremost, there's a link in the description that says incomespeaks.com, or you can just type it in yourself and it'll take you to this page here. And basically this is the sales letter for the system here. Ultimately, what the all-in-one $25 business is a funnel builder. It's a funnel builder, pretty much unlimited pages and stuff like that for $25 a month, and that's actually a really fantastic deal. They also give a charity, as you can see in a little bit in this video here. If you can look at it a little bit, I'm not really showing it, but they give a charity if you're interested in that. And so what you can make, $20 to $100 monthly commissions for every customer. That's right, you make $20 to $100 with this page here, which is why I like using it. And it's just a lot of information about the system. 80% commissions, blah blah blah, 1 sale, 2 sales. You get to 100K per year with just 2 sales per week, stuff like that. So we're gonna go to yes, I want in. I want to try this out. All right, hit in the information, blah blah blah, right? And then you get down here and you serve it. Now, one thing I want to mention here is HBA Premium, which is training. Show you how to make ads and stuff like that. It's constantly updated, depending on what comes out, like TikTok or whatever. All that stuff start coming out and get better and stuff like that. Like Twitter became X, stuff like that. Set up ads. So yeah, you could try that out. And then also has an AI machine to help you make content for it as well. And so yes, add 14-day free test drive. Add this. Now you gotta use my link to get this, guy. You gotta use the incomespeaks.com to get this, and you get it for 14 days. And now the best part about it is that if you get a sale on this, guys, you'll keep the money because you technically own the product for 14 days. All right, so it's fantastic starter. Just get a bunch of people in, get started. All right, whichever method you want to use. All right, so but anyway, guys, once you do that, okay, we got our product. You log in, do all that stuff, get your links, right? Now we need a way to promote it. Now this is the absolute easiest and simplest way to promote this product I have ever found, and it's so simple and easy that it only takes about 30 seconds a day to do. But I show you in slow motion what to do here. So this is what we're gonna do. First, you click on my second link down there. it should take you to a page or something like this called My Lead Gen Secrets. Now what My Lead Gen Secrets is basically it gives you 100 leads that you can mail to each day, and they're all interested in making money, but they are cold leads. Understand that they are cold leads. It means they're not gonna respond all the time. They're very cold leads. They don't know you, so on and so forth, but they're interested in making money. All you gotta do is show up the right product in front of them. Eventually you'll get bites. As you can see, it works for me. This is the only way I promote this product. Now if I were to go in and try to do a little bit more, I probably would get there fast. But this is the way I promote this product. So once you log in, make your account, whatever it is, go to the mailing system and click on this. Don't worry about how many leads I have. It's 60,000 here. You can get sales with like 100 leads. This is honestly my worst account. I use this account for you guys because it's my worst account. My other accounts do way better, and I promote other products with them. But I want to promote this product for you guys because I just want to show you guys how to make some money. This is the easiest product, you know, like that I ever found. So that's the reason why I show you guys this product. So we're gonna log in. We're gonna load in real quick here. So you can just load in emails. As you can see, you can just load in a bunch of emails, like very simply. Now, what we're gonna use instead, we're gonna use ChatGPT to make us a new email. But you can just load that email in the system and send it, and possibly make some money. Okay, that's just how it works. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to here, and we just copy, create another email similar. All right. Boom. Okay, so we got our next email here. Just copy this. And very simple. And right here, we just copy it. And we're gonna copy this link here, and right here. So now this right now to isolate some stuff. I'm gonna get rid of it, but they don't work in the system. Emojis don't work in the system. Okay. 30. $33. That's a pretty good number. It's high too. 42 days is high, but it's not like insane. I think like fold this whole, fold the whole thing. Pretty good. It looks pretty good. And one more thing that we want. Oh, let me make 33. So one more thing that we want, and pop them back into the place of the email here. So we kind of use ChatGPT placement of the. Now this is hard to explain, but all you have to do to, you'll have issues with your placement if you just send it like this. But if you just space it like that, it pops it back in its. That's what we're gonna do. Every line like that. All right, so every line, that line. Okay, we hit perfect timing. That's gonna send the email around the time that people check the email, and we're gonna preview and make sure our link, guys, boom, link does work. Straight to it. All right. Okay, so we send the email, and that's all it is. All right, we had issues, but I'll fix it later, guys. I know exactly what's wrong. Sorry about that. But anyway, that's all there is to it, guys. That's all there is to it. You just send an email like that and you're done. Now, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.